friends, I've been missing in action this past week. I've mentioned before that I work for a major greeting card company, and this past week was changeover week where we switch out from Valentine's to Easter. There's some weeks of the year I work full time and I just didn't have time to get any projects done. But this is a different week, a little slower week, and I can't wait to share with you these cute little mermaid themed bedroom ideas for my granddaughter. Going there next weekend for her big 5th birthday. This is not her birthday gift. This is just something that her Mimi is making for her. But I want to share with you this lamp. Got it for $4.99. It matches her bedroom perfectly. She actually has my daughter's bedroom furniture. We bought a beautiful solid wood set when my daughter was 2 years old, and it is so nice that even now my granddaughter is using it. I got this shade, so $6 for the lamp and shade. I'm going to cover it in this mint green gingham. Her mermaid colors are all pastel colors, and this looks pretty bold, but it's actually a coral color. So mint green and coral are kind of the main colors. To give it a little mermaid theme, I needed a mermaid, and I live 45 minutes from a Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I just could not find anything, so I decided to just look through the shirts, and sure enough I found 2 or 3 mermaid shirts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this mermaid out and kind of applique it onto this lampshade, and I think to finish out the edges I'll trim it in pearls or something. You know, there's pearls in the bottom of the sea and oysters, and so I thought that would kind of go with the theme. But I just thought this little mermaid was so cute, and my granddaughter has long blonde hair. The next thing I want to share with you, and these are all going to be just kind of before and after, because you certainly don't have the same stuff, but it just might give you an idea if you want to do some different theme. I found a picture on Pinterest. I just sketched out my own mermaid tail, and I'm going to do a little string art, and I'm going to use some coral. This looks pretty orangey, but it's pastel color. Cut out the vinyl and do a little string art with the tail. So that'll be cute. The next thing is I picked up this piece of wood at Goodwill several weeks ago for $1.99. It was still in cellophane, still in the wrap. And I actually had previously bought this Dollar Tree picture. I just couldn't believe I found this adorable wall art at Dollar Tree. A little mermaid sleeps here. And I don't think the frame is too terribly bad. That's usually my biggest hang up with that Dollar Tree wall art. But by me beefing it up on a piece of wood, I think it'll really jazz it up. And I'm going to spray paint the wood this coral color to match the tail and distress it a little bit, and I think that'll be super cute on her wall. The fourth project, I'm just going to decorate up a light switch cover. I dug through my stash, and I did find this mermaid type of paper. You know, that little scalloped is kind of what they call now the mermaid design. But I also found this beachy scrapbook sheet, and so I think that's what I might use. It'll be a little easier to Mod Podge. So I'm just going to square it up, center it up on there and Mod Podge it. And then also at the Dollar Tree I went and got a little bag of shells, seashells. And so those are the 4 projects I'm going to work on, and I will get back with you and show you the after. Friends, I've had a busy Sunday afternoon. Here it is Monday morning, and I want to share with you what all I got accomplished. All right, here is my lamp. All I did was cut out a paper pattern, taped paper all on it, and was able to trim it out, and then I just used it as a pattern to cut my fabric, cut out my shirt, hot glued it on there, and hot glued the rickrack all the way around. Super simple. And so the lamp and everything cost me, you know, $6 or $7. This is my string art, mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. This is just a piece of blank board, a little vinyl on there, and some old cross stitch yarn string I had. It cost me a couple bucks to make. My daughter said this was something very similar at Target was $20, but this was an exact copy of something I saw on Pinterest. This is her light switch cover. Just Mod Podge some scrapbook paper. I happen to have the little flip-flops and the starfish beach towel, and then just glued some little jewels in the water. And right here I just hot glued a Dollar Tree picture on a wood plaque. Softened the corners by putting the shells on the corners. The wood at Goodwill was $2, the shells were $1, and the picture was $1. So I have $4 tied up in that. Now here's just a few things that I've collected to add to her bedroom. Found this at Walmart for $5 in the Valentine stuff, and just had to pick that up. They had several different colors, so your Walmart may still have a few. I got this little starfish trinket tray for $1 at Goodwill. This will be cute just sitting on her dresser somewhere. And then I picked up these a few days ago. These were just some framed little circles in the color scheme that she's using. And they were all priced separate, but all of them together was $5. And so I'm going to hang them up on the wall. And I just thought they kind of reminded me of ocean bubbles. And my daughter thought so too. And so that'll be cute on our wall. We may end up putting these bubbles around, you know, the string art or something like that on the wall. So there you go, friends. For a little over $20, I have accessorized her room in my DIY mermaid decor. So I hope you'll take some of these ideas and you might can dress out a room in whatever theme you choose. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.